Welcome to another episode of Dutch Guy's Garage. On this episode, we are going to be doing something different than F-bodies. Look to the forecast and there's going to be snow. So we have to prepare our homestead for the rest of everything that snow entails. So we're going to show you guys some other cars, vehicles, trucks, planes, and automobiles in our fleet. So let's go get ready for snow.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. Life instead of everything you know that you can get. Don't let them guide your life towards a grave.
What do you say we get thrown out of an Applebee's?
Yeah!
So as you can see, we have tin grill, F-body. I know we said we weren't going to do any F-bodies. I ignored the mess that I have not cleaned up yet because there's the rest of the Ford loader. And there's old Lurch, which we'll be moving him. We got to take the trailer off that. And actually, we should probably fire him up first. We're going to move him in a couple months. Ugh. Oh. This is a 1972 D300 with a common swap. And then we got old reliable, the Richard Petty race truck, as you can see by 43s. And 360 TVI that just works. A miracle in itself. So we got to get that trailer of that truck so I can put him away for the year because he gets nice inside storage. And I need to fire him and check all of his fluids before the snow comes. So let's do that. All right, we got this one to move yet. It's a 1993 Plymouth Duster with some modifications done. 305 speed. Yes, we used to be in the front wheel drives. This one was actually made, it was made on my birthday, actually. So, and I was born in 1993, and so was he. So, we keep this one because we're the same age. It's just in better shape than I am. And old stinky Lurch. He is angry today, so got to do a little bit more work to him this year. He needs a couple things. He is currently fighting some taillight issues. I think we have a short somewhere where we don't have running lights. So when I built this one, it's also got one of those cool toolboxes. This one used a full, I had an 89 dually that I used for a donor truck, and I used the full wiring harness from the 89 dually for this truck. And I think we have a short somewhere in there, so yeah, fix that at some point. This one's from California. That is an old California NHRA sticker, or not NHRA, what do you call it? It was a National Rifle Association sticker from California. They probably don't exist anymore. They do. I lost a screw. So he needs a bath, most of all. He's got some moss growing. So we'll get the Roadrunner fired up and get him out of here. He hasn't fired up in a little bit. He also needs a bath. Oh. It's a 3.0, so it always fires. Oh yeah. Pistol grip. So why wouldn't you? Oh. This one needs a new clutch. Or at least getting to the point where it needs a new clutch. This is my daily for a long time. I used to have like an 85-mile commute, and I used to run Shadows or Spirits because they were easy to work on, easy to maintain. Oh, yeah. He needs a little TLC. He'll get there. Yeah, one of those some days. I like that car a lot though. And another Aspen. This one's got goofy fender flares as well, and it's red. Well, just like that, I guess we're ready for snow. So, yeah, let's go back in the barn. All right, well, now that we have all of the winter preparations done, I guess we can really start doing stuff again. I will say I'm glad to finally see some snow, because not having a white Christmas and living in the north, it didn't feel like Christmas. So, hope you guys have had a nice Christmas, and hopefully you guys have a happy New Year's. So, we'll see you guys in 2024. This is Dutch Guy's Garage.